We're here at 83 College Highway in Southwick, Massachusetts. It's Brad the Mortgage Guy, and this is your local look. All right, we're gonna head inside and say hello to Stephanie from Coldwell Banker Realty. Come on, let's go take a look. Hey Steph, we're here. Thanks for having us here at this awesome house in Southwick, Massachusetts.
Well, thank you for coming. I can't wait to show you the house. It's been fully renovated, really cool features throughout.
All right, why don't you show us around? Let's take a tour.
Come on. Beautifully remodeled and updated, this 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath colonial is located on a corner lot and boasts classic charm throughout the spacious floor plan. Upstairs is equally as spacious with 3 bedrooms, another full renovated faux bath, a convenient half bath, as well as a rather large bonus room with endless flex space possibilities. With brand new septic, updated plumbing, electrical, furnace, central air, all you have to do is move in. The kitchen's been fully renovated. It's got great features throughout, stainless appliances, new cabinets. The waterfall quartz island is really cool. The flow is awesome from the living room right to a formal dining room. It has a really nice space for entertaining. So there's actually stairs up to the bonus room and the bedroom. And then if you come this way, you'll see there's first floor laundry, which is really cool. And there's actually double access to the pre-season room, so for those warmer months, and then first floor laundry.
Thanks for joining us today. If you're loving this house, reach out to Stephanie for a private tour. This is Brad the Mortgage Guy here on Your Local Look. We're out of here.